Good morning, everybody. I'm Nitya.
I'm Congratu.
On behalf of everybody in KLC, we welcome you to the 79th Independence Day celebration. We come to the end of a week-long celebration of Krishna. And this year, the week ends with Independence Day. One of our biggest examples who stands all through time as one who urged free thought is Krishna. At KLC, it's always with wonder and gratitude how year after year, some student decides to truly become independent. Independent perhaps in the most powerful way that man can be, in his thinking and in his words. This year, Sai and Vishal have shed another layer of their so-called neurodiversity and have written a small poem in which they have celebrated man as the only creation of nature who enjoys true freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, Sai and Vishal.
மனிதனுக்கு கிடைத்துள்ள பரிசான சுதந்திரமான உரிமையை பற்றிய ஒரு கவிதையை சாய் ஹரிஹரன் மற்றும் விஷால் எழுதியுள்ளனர். இப்பொழுது மாணவர்களும் ஆசிரியர்களும் அவர்களுக்கே உரித்தான அசைவுகள் மூலம் அதனை வெளிப்படுத்த உள்ளார்கள்.
If you glance around you and observe nature in all its wondrous glory, you see big trees growing tall, spreading themselves. You see a river running through boulders and rocks. Apparently, the tree and the river appear free. But are they really, is the question that Sai and Vishal ask. The trees rooted on this earth spread wide and big, with green leaves spreading out in search of the sun, orienting towards the sun to receive the maximum sunlight. Rooted, not able to move. The river, flowing freely, also needs to change its course when it comes in contact with big boulders and different terrain. Some limitations. And then we have man. Man, they say, is the only creation in the universe who can transcend limitations, transcend boundaries, transcend evil, transcend history and own scripts to make free choices. Making free choices allows us to be fully human. Every Independence Day, our children urge us to take our rightful place in this big cosmos. A rightful place as a true upright human being. What it means to be a free human being and have your spirit free is what the saints write about.
சூரியனின் போதனையை கேட்டு மரம் வளர்கிறது. நிலத்தின் அமைப்பிற்கேற்ப ஆறு பாய்கிறது. இரண்டும் சுதந்திரமானவை போல தோன்றுகின்றன. ஆனால் நல்லதுக்கும் கெட்டதுக்கும் இடையே தெரிவு செய்யும் ஆற்றல் மனிதனுக்கு மட்டுமே உண்டு. எல்லையற்ற ஆற்றல்களை கடந்த நிலையை அடைபவனும் மனிதன் ஒருவனே.
We are first born human, and there itself we unify with the whole mankind all over the world. Then only we are Indians, Americans, Europeans. And we then divide ourselves more into religions, states, countries, physical boundaries, mental boundaries, geographical boundaries, moral boundaries, and so on. Can we first be just free human beings with the faculty of being able to make choices? When we choose good over evil, brotherhood over war, higher over lower, we become more and more aligned to our true purpose as man.
பட்டு உயர்நிலை நோக்கி செல்கிறோம்.
Just for the benefits of all the parents here, you can also glimpse at what our children are studying about in the main lessons this block. Botany, rivers, the human being, and Mirabai, the saint who chooses a life of devotion as her free choice. A a true independent human. These have been woven into a short movement sequence followed by songs of freedom which you all are aware of. Watch us, join us and celebrate with us this spirit of freedom.